Did it get kicked under the bed next to your running shoes? Was it stolen at work? It's frustrating because you used to have your motivation with you all the time, and now, that's okay. We'll help you find it. First, let's find your reason. You know, your reason. What's that thing that makes you want to live to an age where you can say whatever you want to whomever you want, and somehow it becomes charming? Next, find your thing. What is that healthy thing you actually love? There's gotta be one, right?
穿鞋子走了，穿鞋子走。
Find your partner.
进家里就看到了，
Who's
来
the ping to your palm? The
穿鞋了，
downward to your dog.
快
Who'll keep
快
your
穿
butt
鞋，
moving and vice
来
versa?
来。
Find all magically appear. But if you're still
哎呦，哎哎，你现在你要回家还是要去溜滑梯？妈咪就进去了，那我们进去。那妈咪就进去了，来来进去，来来走了，走了。